Welcome to our channel. Today, we're venturing into the world of air fryer baking. Can an air fryer really bake a cake? We're about to find out. Air fryers offer a quick, efficient, and surprisingly versatile way to achieve delicious cakes. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a beginner, this journey is for you. We'll share tips and tricks to ensure your cake turns out perfect. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you never miss our videos. Leave your questions and suggestions below. We love hearing from you. Join us as we explore air fryer baking and create something sweet together. Let's bake it easy. Ingredients and equipment you'll need. First, you'll want to get your cake batter ready, either by following your preferred cake recipe or by using a cake mix. Next, ensure that your air fryer is clean and in good working order. Now, for the cake pan, go with one that fits nicely inside your air fryer basket. Most people use a 6-inch or 7-inch round cake pan for this. Here's how you can do it. First things first, you want to preheat your air fryer. Most air fryers have a preheat function, so set it to the temperature mentioned in your cake recipe, which is typically around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Now, for the cake pan, make sure you grease it up and line it with parchment paper if necessary, so your cake doesn't stick. Next, pour your prepared cake batter right into that greased and lined cake pan. Make sure you spread it out nice and evenly. Carefully slide the cake pan into your air fryer basket. Make sure there's a bit of space around the pan for the air to circulate properly. Time to set the temperature and timer on your air fryer. Follow the instructions from your cake recipe, but generally, cakes cook at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 30 minutes. Keep in mind that the exact time can vary based on the cake size and type. Now, keep an eye on your cake. You can peek through the air fryer's window or briefly open the basket, if your air fryer allows, to check if it's done. Use a toothpick or cake tester, insert it into the center of the cake. If it comes out clean without any batter sticking to it, your cake is good to go. Once it's done, carefully take it out of the air fryer basket. Let it cool in the pan for a few minutes, and then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. And finally, once your cake has cooled down, you can get creative and frost and decorate it however you like. Then, enjoy your delicious creation. Keep in mind that air fryer baking may produce slightly different results compared to traditional oven baking. The cake may have a different texture and appearance, but it can still be delicious. Experiment with your air fryer to find the settings and techniques that work best for your specific cake recipes.